Here we've set up an agar plate with 3 points of injection, including 100, 200, and 300 microcurie. Let's see what this looks like with the two gamma cameras in this dual-headed system. Behind the gamma cameras, you can see the bore of a CT scanner, which we're not using right now. In this setup, the two gamma cameras are at two different distances. The posterior camera is much closer to the phantom than the anterior camera. In both cases, we're using the same low-energy high-resolution collimator, or LEHR. On the left, we have the image from the anterior camera, and on the right, we have the image from the posterior camera. The resolution, the ability to resolve these three separate injections, is severely degraded in the anterior camera. Because the posterior camera is so much closer to the phantom, it's able to resolve the 3 points of injection so much better. This is just a nice demonstration that resolution improves when you bring the gamma camera head closer to the patient.